This is our new story, New Trainers. This is Chip. This is Kipper. This is Floppy, the dog. He is standing in front of Kipper. This is his friend. They all are happy. This is football. They are playing football. They are playing football in the playground. Chip is wearing new trainers. There is green grass and plants in the playground. Chip is wearing red shirt and blue pant. His friend is wearing yellow shirt, blue pant and long shoes. Kipper is also in colorful dress. He is also wearing long shoes. They all are happy. They are playing football. They are in the playground. The color of sky is the blue.